So we're back with a brand new product. This time we're checking out the Momentum True Wireless 4 or the MTW4s from Sennheiser. We are huge fans of Sennheiser. When we used to work, selling and using audio devices on a really high-end level back when we were younger, we always dreamed of owning the really high-end Sennheiser headphones. And this is their earbuds, but quality is going to be massively well designed and great for you. We've actually tried these out at CES, and so they sent us actually a copy to get a little more hands-on with it. A couple things I want to talk about. It does have 30 hours of playtime on them, and it is designed to work with the new LE Bluetooth standards, low energy Bluetooth standards, and Auracast to fully get the benefits of Bluetooth, which is really nice. But let's open this up. We'll talk a little bit more about all the features in it and what you're getting with it right now. Okay. So, a little manual, the case that you can actually use quick charging with. It's very, very nice, kind of magnetic seal. I love that hinge. Also very tactile, kind of a fabricy feel to the box. Charger is right there on the unit. No adaptive buttons or anything to access it. The magnet is right there for the seal close. Very solid. And here we have the power cord, USB to USB-C. USB, I should say the USB-C. And we have pouches and additional manuals. These pouches are specifically for the earpieces. Nice. Let's take these out for a second. So there are two pieces on there that can be changed out. It looks like it's these pieces here that actually help seal the inner ear, the outer ear, and this part here. So, like, let me show you what I mean. So, depending on the sizing, you can swap those out, or you can swap them out larger or smaller with these ones here. I love this color design for these ones, and you can see there's multiple mics on the device. There's a microphone here, there's a microphone here, and there's a microphone here. These three microphones are going to be used to help pick up sounds of you talking, as well as noise cancellation from sounds outside. One is actually kind of inside the ear while you're using them. They got little L's and R out here, so you can actually see which one's going which ear. And then markings here, those are the charge plates that connect onto that. As for how they feel in the ear, I can really feel the sealing with this outer ridge piece here. Doing a good job sealing it into the ear. And it really, I'm actually a person that has very sensitive ears. I can't wear ear pieces for long periods of time, but this is actually pretty comfortable. I might go a size lower because it is very snug, but if you do want to get a really good, clear blocking out of exterior sounds, the more snug, the better. But yeah, these feel really good. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to connect these now with our phone using the app. The really cool thing about the app is that it does have additional features. So you can actually adaptively adjust the sound profile on the device with use of the application. It'll give you some tones, and then you can adjust and fine-tune your audio quality so that way you get the best sound for you, because everyone's ears are different. We do hear at different levels. There is clarity and quality and all these features that go into play, and they use your preferences and how audio sounds to your ears to get you the best quality sound, which is kind of a signature Sennheiser quality that you just really love to see. On top of that, it does focus on having 24-bit and 96 kilohertz of audio resolution. That way you can get really good range of sound and qualities within the device. It also has a transparency mode you can activate and IP54 for your waterproof issues and worries. So what IP54 means that you can literally get pretty good protection from dust infiltration, and on top of that, you have really good protection from, say, like transit rain. So if you have it in your ears and it's raining outside, you don't have to worry about taking them out. It can do about 60 degrees from vertical, like injet from the water for about 3 minutes. So unless you're like in a monsoon or swimming, you're not going to have to really worry about it being worse. That's pretty solid. So I said, we're going to take these out. We're going to try these out. We're going to actually let you hear a little bit. We're going to show you a little bit of the app, and we'll be right back. This is a really solid set of headphones, and again, like I said, I love the design. It's very tactile for the case. It's very soft, and the quality you're getting is really high end. I mean, what could you expect less from Sennheiser? Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.